Hello friends, today we will look at properties which can be seen when a mineral breaks. These breakage properties are classified as three types: mineral cleavage, parting and fracture. All three are different. Cleavage is if a mineral breaks crystallographically. Parting is where a mineral breaks because of stress, and fracture is all other breakages in the mineral apart from cleavage and parting. While observing cleavage, it is very important to look at one single crystal. जो भी आपके पास में सामने ये आपको मैटर दिख रहा है, दिस इज रॉक सॉल्ट, हेलाइट, बट इट इज एन एग्रीगेट ऑफ मेनी क्रिस्टल्स. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप एक क्रिस्टल को डिमार्केट करें and then you observe how that one single crystal is behaving. Now, cleavage is often seen parallelly. बहुत सारे पैरेलल प्लेन्स आपको मिलेंगे किसी भी क्लीवेज बियरिंग रॉक के अंदर, बियरिंग मिनरल के अंदर. जैसे कि यहां पे अपन देख सकते हैं, ये एक प्लेन है, दिस इज वन प्लेन. इसी के पैरेलल ये एक और प्लेन है जिसमें ये ब्रेकेज हो रहा है. इसी के पैरेलल और मल्टीपल प्लेन्स आपको दिखेंगे अगर आप यहां पे इसको देखें. So there are many planes you can see on which the mineral is breaking. अब क्लीवेज उसकी क्वालिटी के ऊपर परफेक्ट, अगर बहुत अच्छा आपको सरफेस मिल रहा है ब्रेकेज के बाद में, यू कैन सी हियर, तो दिस इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ परफेक्ट क्लीवेज. अगर फिर भी आपको लस्टर कम दिख रहा है तो इट इज गुड. अगर लस्टर नहीं दिख रहा है तो इट इज कंसिडर्ड पुअर. पुअर क्लीवेज को भी दो लोग तरीके से बोलते हैं. इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज डिस्टिंक्ट और इनडिस्टिंक्ट. मतलब डिस्टिंक्ट अगर फिर भी पहचान में आ रहा है, और इनडिस्टिंक्ट अगर आप उसको पहचान भी नहीं सकते. सो नाउ वी कम टू द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ क्लीवेज विच कैन बी सीन. अब अपन वो मिनरल्स देखते हैं जो सिर्फ एक सेट का क्लीवेज दिखाते हैं. This is one set basal cleavage shown by gypsum. आप देख सकते हो बीच में ये इस प्लेन के along there is one cleavage plane which can be observed. So there is one perfect basal cleavage which is shown by gypsum. इसी का अच्छा रिप्रेजेंटेशन आपको सारी माइका फैमिली के मिनरल्स में मिलता है. जैसे कि ये माइका फैमिली का मस्कोवाइट अपने पास में है. इफ यू ट्राई टू ब्रेक एनी मस्कोवाइट क्रिस्टल, लेट्स ट्राई टू ब्रेक वन. अगर आप उसको तोड़ना चाहें तो इट विल कम आउट इन परफेक्ट क्लीव आउट इन परफेक्ट बेसल लेयर्स. दिस इज वन साइड वन सेट परफेक्ट क्लीवेज. अब वन सेट कैसे आप बोलोगे? ये सारे के सारे प्लेन्स, all these planes are parallel to each other. So all parallel cleavage planes belong to one set. जैसे आप इसको भी ब्रेक करना चाहो, you can easily break it. No? So this parallel breakage is called as cleavage. One set perfect in micas. Now apophyllite also shows one good basal cleavage set. So this is the direction in which crystal grows. ये क्रिस्टल का डायरेक्शन है, टॉप वन पेन का टॉप जहां पे है, और आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो कि ये मल्टीपल प्लेन्स आपको क्रिस्टल के बेस में दिख रहे हैं. वन सेट, अनदर सेट, ये एक और सेट. These multiple parallel planes you can observe in apophyllite. It also contains one perfect basal set of cleavage. अपन ने काइनाइट डायस्थीन पहले से देख करके रखा था. It also possesses one set of cleavage, one basal set. अब ये भी आप देखो कि ये मल्टीपल क्रिस्टल्स का एग्रीगेट है. इसमें से आप किसी एक क्रिस्टल को अलग करो, सपोजिटली अपन सिर्फ इस क्रिस्टल की बात करते हैं, ये वाला जो है, इसको आप देखोगे, सो इट हैज ऑल्सो बेसल क्लीवेज। ठीक है। नाउ कम्स मिनरल्स विच possess cleavage in two directions, which is good cleavage in two directions। जैसे कि ये अपन ऑर्थोक्लेस फेल्सपार देखते हैं, सो वन सेट as you can see parallel to this, another same set है ये, so all these planes belong to one set of cleavage। Now if we hold this, we are holding one set of cleavage plane and we turn it, so we see the here another good set of cleavage plane, because we can see good reflection of crystal, luster अच्छा दिख रहा है, so this is another set of cleavage which can be seen in feldspars। So feldspars possess two good sets of cleavage, तो एक तो मैंने पकड़ रखा है ऑलरेडी, and this is the other one। यहां पे आपको और मैनिफेस्टेशंस दिखेंगे इसके यहां। So two good sets of cleavage planes, one and the second, and third is poor, so technically it will have three sets of cleavage, two good or two perfect or one poor or two perfect sets of cleavages। Both these cleavage planes are right angles to each other, this and this make a right angle, this plane and this plane make a right angle। Coming to minerals which also possess two cleavage sets but not in a right angles, they are making some angles with each other, this can be seen in all amphiboles। This is an amphibole, particularly this is hornblende। अब hornblende में आप देखोगे तो किसी एक क्रिस्टल को अगर अपन अलग करें, डिमार्केट करें, as you can see here, you can see that there is one set which is perfect parallel to this plane, and the other one is making slight almost angle of 120 degrees, or here in this case 60 degrees। एक सेट ये है, दूसरा सेट ये है। So this is two sets of cleavage which are observed in hornblendes and particularly all amphiboles। Now we come to minerals which possess three sets of cleavages। Now this is galena, it has a cubic cleavage, it has a cleavage plane parallel to this plane, it has one cleavage plane parallel to this plane, and it has another cleavage plane parallel to this plane। So when all those three planes are the weak planes of the mineral, it produces small cubes or cubic breakages in the mineral। So this cleavage is called as cubic cleavage। आपको देखेंगे छोटे छोटे क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर्स इसके अंदर देखने को मिलेंगे। So these are three sets of cleavages which are right angles to each other, forming cubic cleavages। If you try to break them, you will see manifestations of small cubes। यार इतना छोटे हैं कि प्रॉपरली नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा मैं, but if you can see, no, this is not that good still। So galena, three sets of cleavage, right angles to each other। Coming to minerals which also have three sets of cleavages but they produce small rectangles, they don't produce cubes, this is barite। You can see, you will observe one set, light will also help in identification of these planes। You can see one plane which is here, another plane. Easily we can demarcate between the two crystals. So two single crystal, two planes. So there is one set and there is another set. So this will produce almost rectangular crystals. Coming to calcite, it also possesses three sets of cleavages, but they are at an angle to each other. So they produce rhombic cleavages. छोटे छोटे rhombs आपको ब्रेकेज के अंदर इसके अंदर मिलेंगे. So you can see here. Now there is another property which is called as parting. Now this is corundum. Corundum possesses no cleavage, but it possesses a strong rectangular parting. It is very difficult to differentiate between cleavage and parting. Theoretically, cleavages are crystallographically controlled and partings are mechanically or stress induced. Simply speaking, आपको अगर ऐसे ही differentiate करना है between cleavage and parting, you will see that cleavage planes are not thick, they are just planes. But here in this case of parting in corundum, you can see that they are thick planes. Mineral will break on both surfaces. Mineral cleavage में भी break करेगा, parting में भी break करेगा. But partings will be slightly thicker and not crystallographically controlled than cleavages. Another property which we observe is fracture. Fracture is how a mineral breaks. It may be even fracture, producing even surfaces. Fracture may produce irregular surfaces or uneven surfaces when a mineral breaks. तो फ्रैक्चर आपका दो टाइप का, उससे ज्यादा टाइप का भी होता है, बेसिकली इवन और अनइवन. यू कैन ऑल्सो सी फ्रैक्चर्स as if a glass breaks or conchoidal fractures. Conchoidal fractures are fractures which look concentric. जैसे आप इस प्लेन पे मैं चमका के दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूं. You can see that multiple lines can be observed. It's not good on this plane. Let us see on another plane. Like here, multiple lines can be observed forming circular patterns. Concentric lines आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. This conchoidal fracture is the diagnostic property of quartz. तो यहाँ पे भी let us see if you can see this. These are conchoidal fractures produced by quartz, and these are fibrous fractures produced in chrysotile asbestos. You can see fibers which are produced. छोटे 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 धागे आपको निकलते हुए दिखेंगे. So last is chalk. Chalk produces a very earthy or uneven fractures. So these are the properties as to how mineral breaks. These are cleavages, fractures and partings. Next, we will try to classify elements as to how a geologist looks at elements, and we will try to differentiate between elements and minerals. Till then, I will see you next time. Bye.